Hi, my name's Scott and I'm here at Greenville, South Carolina, our MarineMax store, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our Yamaha. It's a 2024 and it's the 222 SD series. We got the seafoam blue here, really pretty color. It's on a painted dual axle trailer. And because this is the SD, it does have the drive controls that I'll show you once we get inside the boat. Around the back here, got the nice hangout area, the really comfortable seats. It's got the chocolate tan interior, stereo, transom remote, and speakers back here. So nice when you're floating and hanging out. And then I'm going to show you the rest of the boat. Come on in. All right, so now we're in the boat. We're in the bow right now. Got huge bow for a 22-foot, a lot of room in here. It has filler cushions that goes across. You got the nice snap-in SeaDek flooring. Really nice fit and finish to this boat. SeaDek up on the sides, really cool look. Got the walk-through here, over to the big captain's chair, comfortable. And then because this is the SD, it's got the really cool Connect screen, and then we have the drive control, the forward and reverse on the steering wheel. Really cool, makes this boat super easy to handle. Dual engines with the dual throttles there. Over here, you got nice comfortable captain or co-captain's chair, lots of storage on this boat. Big dash, phone charger area right there, really cool. Once again, all the nice SeaDecking on the sides, followed through to the nice playpen seating in the back. Does have the wake tower, has a table you can put in the front and the back. So awesome boat, twin motor, Yamaha, the 222 SD. Come and check this out. We got other Yamahas available, and we're gonna have this on our website. Also here at the store, you can come and see it, or you can give us a call, and our number is 864-236-9005.